This is what it looks like. It's a very unique recipe. I know there's lots of stuffed pasta shells recipes out there, but kind of just made this one my own. And the reason I did that and I put carrots in it and tomatoes was because these are going to be like snacks for the day for me. Like this will be probably my lunch tomorrow. Just one of them will probably be my lunch tomorrow. So that's why I packed them with a bunch of stuff. Yes, there's a lot of cheese in it and a lot of cream and a lot of stuff that's not good for you. But this for me is a meal in itself, and I ate some oatmeal before to help with the sugar spikes if there's going to be any. This is not a gluten-free shell. So anyway, so I did have like half a cup of oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts and chia seeds and flax seeds. So I just had that a while ago. So this is going to be plenty, and my oatmeal tomorrow will be plenty to probably keep me through the day, and then I'll have dinner. So let me try it. All right, this is what it looks like. And I actually can't wait to taste it. This is so good. It might be hard to actually just have one for lunch tomorrow. Wow. The crunchy carrots in there, it's crunchy and it's perfect. Then the little chunks of tomato, which remind me of like a Margherita pizza, just chunks of tomato. And then of course the sauce, the creaminess, and the shell, the pasta, the gluten. Wow, this is real. And then all the creams, the ricotta cheese, the half and half, and the cream cheese, and pepper flakes, plus the other spices. You can imagine how flavorful this is. Really, I'm not saying this just because it's my video, but I'm dead serious. This is actually a really good snack to have. I'm going to freeze the rest, and I'll probably freeze them in threes for the day. And then I'll vacuum seal them, and I'll show you what that looks like. I had to turn the camera off for a little while so I can enjoy some of it. I was making too many noises.